Dumelang bo bagolo ke bidwa Mr.Motsepe Kgosikwena, the project manager mo Kgosikwena. So re amogetse baeng, our minister is here visiting us to view how far the project is doing, and then re se re dirile mantwale 15 and it's almost 98% done, and then we are left with only 5 houses still already probably end of April will be done with everything, if not the challenges arising from the rainfall, because hapula ena thala go sna gore ka re ga re eme the thala gore go madi a go berekise mme la re soletsa batswana gore se le gore ha ke mantwale 20 ke type 75 and it's medium cost, so re solela gore by end of April around there. I thank you, sir.